So remember when I showed you those videos of baby birds? Now they're all grown up and we're going to let them go. We have 3, but one, my mom has one, and then I have one in my hand, and we're just going to let them go.
Where's the other one?
Okay, so we're going to let this first one go. Oh, fuck. Mom, that one is not ready to go yet.
We just need to put them back in the nest. If they go on their own, they go on their own.
That one, the one you have in your hand, knows how to fly real good. Yeah, Mom was her talking.
And I'll watch them.
Okay, we're gonna put them back. Okay, putting them back in their nest. We have one that's getting really close to leaving, and 2 others that are getting pretty close. Hey. They got stuck up in there, and here's their nest.
Just let them go.
Mom!
What? They're ready. Look, he flew. Look.
He did?
Yeah, he flew.
Oh.
Where'd he go?
He went under the grill. There's one. There's one. Then one fell down there. Gosh. There he, wait, that's not him, that's Mama. Is he still under there? No, I think he flew away. One fell down here. Wait, jump. I seen one that jumped down here. One that you had.
No, he's over here. I took a picture.
Oh, he is where? I'm gonna show the camera.
Right there, found that bush.
Then one I had went down there. Where's he at, Mom?
Right here. Right here at the corner of the tree. On my side.
Oh, I see him. Where's he at? I just seen. Oh, there he is. Hey. Hey, buddy. There he goes. He went over there. He's going over there. Where's the one that I dropped? Oh, he flew out of my hand. Oh, is that a wasp? Oh, he came out of my hand right there. He jumped out of my hand. If I get stung by a wasp, I'm gonna be mad. One flew away, right?
Yeah, it flew right into that big tree. I saw it.
Yeah, that was the one that was the bigger one. That was the big one. Where's the one that I had? Make sure. I gotta make sure there's not another one in there. Cause first, I know, but we thought there was only one in there first. Then there was 2. Okay, so the birds, they're all grown up now. Here's their nest. That's a big sparrow feather. Look at that, that's a sparrow feather. That's really cool. Okay, we're gonna move the remainings of their nest. Because they make nests here all the time. Here's an old nest that I found. These eggs already hatched a while ago. Dang. This is in our grill too. We're gonna have to clean this before we ever cook on it again. Let's go see if we can find one. go see if we can find one of the birds. I've seen one come over here. I just hope they are ready, because I really wanted to leave that nest. They had all their feathers. Oh, I see them. Hey. Hey, buddy. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's right there. I'm pointing the camera. Hey, dude. What's up? I'm going to go give him. So let me get him. I'm going to tell him goodbye. Hey. Dude. Where you at? Hey, come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Yeah, you know me. Hey, it's just me. Bye, buddy. I'm gonna miss you. Fly away. There he goes. He'll get better at flying. He's just staying under that tree because it's raining. One of them was for surely ready to leave. He flew up all the way into that big old tree right there. We let him go and he was gone. He was out of here. And then there was one we didn't get to say goodbye to because I had it in my hand and it flew away out of my hand right here, and then I never seen him again. Hopefully they will make an. I bet they'll make another nest there. They always do. Hope you guys enjoyed me showing you these birds. I enjoyed it too. Looking at them and seeing how long it takes them to grow. It took them about a week and a half to get fully sized and ready to release. Just in case you guys are wondering. Hope you guys enjoyed me showing you these videos. I enjoyed it. See you guys.